Alright, Trader Coach Carver here, and in this video I want to go ahead and I want to break down some of the reasons why I personally don't trade on Fridays, right? So as we've went through in previous videos before, I've talked about every Sunday I sit down, I'll plan out my week for trading, I'll look at a lot of my higher time zones, look at a lot of different positions, and I'll even look at the fundamentals, some of the things that are going to be coming in and some of the economic shifts we can see within the markets, right? But when it comes to Friday, right, I try to cut all of my trading off by Thursday evening. On a very rare occasion, I'm actually still holding a position into Friday. Usually by then I'll actually go ahead and close it out. But let's just go ahead and let's run through some of the reasons why I personally don't trade on Fridays. One of them being that there's a lot lower volume, right? You don't see as much volume coming into the markets on Fridays, and that traditionally comes with the fact that if you still have a position open when the market closes Friday evening, what happens is you have to hold that position all the way through the weekend. You can't close it. Saturday you say, hey, you know what, I want to close that position. You can't. It's going to say market's closed. You can't close the position. And what comes with that is, traditionally you have to pay some additional fees. You have some swap fees coming in over the weekend, and the broker's charging you for holding that position open through the weekend. And then what happens is when that market opens up on Sunday, you're typically going to see some gaps within the market. And sometimes they can go in your favor. Sometimes it'll stop you out. And, there's just some of those additional reasons, a lot of those variables that are left outside of my control that I personally don't like to trade on Fridays, right? You also have on Fridays, a lot of institutions, hedge funds will traditionally close their positions, and what'll happen is you'll see some shifts within the market there as well. And a lot of times it's just not a good time to trade, right? For me, it's not worth the risk. It's not worth putting myself out there when there's so many different variables within the market. So for me, when it looks like, my actual trading week, what that looks like, Sunday, I sit down, I plan the markets out, I take a look at what's going on. I go through my watch list on the macro time frames. I'll go through and see what's going on there. And then I'll just kind of run through the fundamentals, what is coming up during my trading week. I'll take a look at Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And that's it, guys. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I show up. If I find a trade, I take it. If not, I don't take it. I trade what I understand. And if I can't understand the markets at that point in time enough to conceptualize, the ability to pull some money out of the markets, I don't do it. I don't jump in. So with that being said, guys, there's some of the reasons why I don't trade on Friday. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you guys trade Fridays below. What are some of the things that you've seen in the markets? And we'll see you in this next video.